Yeah, a
There
lot
you
of
go.
construction going on
The unrested.
at this cemetery, so we know what happens with construction and spirits.
The place of rest has become the place of unrest.
The place of unrest.
There's your vampire face.
Uh-oh, that's not good. I hope these gates don't shut on us, because if they do, we doomed. Yep, a lot of construction going on here.
I just saw something.
What?
A black cat.
Where was that at?
It's not really there.
Oh, you saw him?
Yeah, crossing
Roaming around?
the cemetery.
Okay. Black cat.
It was a vision. It wasn't like a real cat there.
So Madame Della had a vision.
Yep.
Black cat
I saw a
crossing the
black cat over
cemetery.
here.
Which side?
Over here.
Can you hold this for a second? I'm going to take
Right
a picture
here inside of the graves.
with the actual regular camera.
Yes, of course I can. Oh, I should have brought my gloves.
Yep, me too, but that's okay. All right, good deal.
Holding it steady.
Thank you.
Yeah, he was crossing the lawn.
Okay. We're going to fire up the spirit box here in a minute just to see if we got anything. Ask a couple questions. Some of our friends that are in here, since we've been here quite a few times, I'm sure they remember who we are. Okay, what's that on that grave out there? Is that a reef, a dead reef or something?
I really can't tell.
Yeah, it's weird.
I guess.
Yep, dead reef. Okay. All right. How come they ring every time we're out here? No matter what time it is. You understand what I'm saying? It's kind of a weird tree. Huh.
tries the door every time we come here.
Not open. We'll fire up the spirit box here. You want to come over with the camera?
I think we're the only ones that come to this cemetery. Because it's a cemetery for priests and nuns, clergy. I feel like nobody ever comes into it. It's just so old. I'm pretty sure those are new.
Yeah,
They
they are.
are those feeders or lanterns?
No, there's lanterns.
Oh, are they?
So they must turn them on at night. Maybe they're a little tour they used to have.
That's true.
Elizabeth. We just wanted to come by and say hi and get your assistance on some things that we have going on. What are you saying? What are you saying?
I thought he said 1 second.
Might have been 1 second. I was turning it up. Can I help? Yeah. How many spirits are still on this plane with us right now so that we could talk to them? Serious? I am serious. It's the same guy. What do you got? How does cases of death sound?
Dead.
Dead. Cases of the dead?
Do you have a message?
Did you say, what do you
Yeah.
like to know?
No. He said the headlight.
The headlight.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, Tyler's going to fix that tomorrow about noon for him. You good with that?
What's going on here?
Are we moving in the right direction?
Is the construction disrupting anything?
It's written.
It's written.
It's written. Where are you at in the cemetery right now? Where are you?
Can you tell us where you're at here in the cemetery?
Did she say behind you?
Yeah, I heard her say that.
She
behind
said
me.
behind you. This way.
Am I getting closer? You have to come through clear. I know you're capable of it. What do the lanterns run on?
Looks like kerosene. Yep, kerosene. You got little things right here. Hi, this is John.
I heard John when I first walked
Oh my
in
God.
here, but I thought I didn't want to say it.
Right. Hey, John, how are you? As soon as we got back on this path, you know that. John. John,
I can't believe that, and I didn't say it.
are we heading in the right direction with our goals?
Do you have a
Oh,
message, Sean?
It's broke already, look.
So is this one.
Are they? Yeah, they're broke already.
Death record.
Hey, John.
Broken lantern.
John. We're piecing all this together. Give me one good message that I can take with me tonight.
Our family.
Our family. Mass.
Our family mass.
We're right here in the church and stuff. To the female and to John, I appreciate the messages. Can you give me a forecast of what the next 6 months is going to look like for me and Madam and our goals? They're planned?
I heard that, yeah.
Yeah, they're planned. Thank you.
I heard his name when I came in here and I didn't acknowledge
John?
it.
Yeah,
Baby, listen to me all the time.
ask them.
This stop getting close to me.
If it's important.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, so I just think he's not listening.
exactly, because I just... Yep,
But can he comprehend it?
all the time.
Can he comprehend me? Where's the black cat at I saw?
Visiting. It's visiting.
Alright, let's walk.
All right, so we're going to crank out of here. Thank you, John, and the female for your assistance. Anytime. We'll be back again. Good checking with you. That's just the way they used to talk back then. Your age. I'm 56.
49.
What's your age?
How old are you? Something husband.
Yeah, I'm her husband. That's a guy friend.
I have a question before we leave.
Go ahead.
Is JB gonna die soon?
What did he say? Oh my God!
Whoa, the
That was a
phone.
phone.
He is, isn't he? Because I keep getting these really bad feelings about him.
Not that I know of.
Good.
Not that I know of.
That phone was ringing.
Yeah, but he just said not that I know of too. So again, why? John and the other spirits, thank you for coming through. But it's cold. We want to walk to warm up. It was 3. So thank you. Appreciate it. Well, there you go. Not that I know
You
of.
heard that weird phone call.
Baby, what the hell's up with
I
this
told
phone?
you, I always hear a
We are going
phone.
to be such a hit watch.
I always
Phone
hear a
shit.
phone with the spirit box all the time. Like, I hear a phone ringing, and that's something that you don't hear on them, but I always hear it all the time.
I know.
And people think I'm nuts when I'm doing seance because they'll be like, oh, come on. I'm like, no, I'm hearing a phone ringing. And then if you say hello, it starts a whole new conversation. People just don't understand.
You want me to take that?
I'm doing such a good job there, keeping everything tight and straight.
That's okay. I gotta put my hands, I'll switch hands up.
It is a little bit chilly out
Yeah,
here.
I'm just gonna cut
When I
through.
first walked in, the very first mail, I just heard John.
Squirrel.
And I didn't say anything.
So, and then he said, hi, I'm John.
Yeah.
That's crazy,
Did I
but you're
create
so
him?
psychic. It's like crazy.
But did I create him?
Oh, yeah. You never
Did
know.
I create him and put him into our reality? Because you know how I am with creation.
Yep. I'm going to turn this off for a bit. So we made it back to the vehicle. Ooh, my goodness. Back to the vehicle. Oh, God. Let's see here. All right. There we are. There we are. So as soon as we walked in, Madam
Fat face.
got the word.
Don't you have a thinner, like, screen to make us look skinnier?
We are skinnier.
Here, we need light.
There we go. So she got the verbiage from someone.
Just start over.
Yeah. Okay. So we're done with our little tiny investigation that we did in the cemetery. We come to once in a while. A lot of good messages come through, and they came through again today. So tell us what you heard when you first went in, madam.
John.
John. And
Just John.
not 15 minutes into it, we turned on the spirit box, and coming through, hi, I'm John. It's just amazing. You're amazing, madam. You're amazing. You really are. Your skills are just... God.
Did I create it?
I don't know. I don't know. But it got chilly, and it says 52. It says 52, but damn, it feels like it's 30. Man, we had to get out of there. So, like and subscribe, guys. We'll hit you up. See you. Take care.
Yeah, it definitely feels like about 30.